artist Amit Bahar exhibited his paintings titled Tranquility, which was inaugurated by Dr. Sunil Baliram Gaikwad, Honorable MP from Latur. Singer Abhijit Bhattacharya was the chief guest along with singer Shibani Kashyap. While Shibani did the lighting of the lamp along with the artist and MP, Abhijit looked too sullen-faced at a beautiful occasion like this.
I think itni grandiose beauty combined with a lot of spirituality, a lot of divinity. It's got such beautiful thoughts. आपको एक किसी और ही दुनिया में ले जाती है. हर एक पेंटिंग की एक कहानी अलग है. So स्पेशली वो जो घाट्स का उन्होंने जो बनाया है अमित जी ने, इट्स ब्यूटिफुली डिपिक्टेड इट सो ब्यूटिफुली एंड यू फील है कि आप वहीं पहुंच गए बनारस के. तो बेसिकली मुझे लगा आज हम बनारस पहुंच गए. एंड देयर इज लॉट ट्रैंक्विलिटी इन हिज पेंटिंग. एंड जो मैंने नोटिस किया कि पिजन्स, इन्होंने कबूतर का बहुत प्यारा यूजेज किया है अपनी पेंटिंग में. एज अ मोटिव ही इज यूज्ड इट. जैसे हम अपने सिंगर्स, अब म्यूजिशियंस जो होते हैं, अपने गाने में एक सिग्नेचर लाइन होती है या हुक लाइन होती है, तो मुझे लगता है इनका सिग्नेचर मुझे पिजन्स and tranquility laga. And I am absolutely I think I'm transported to some other world, a divine world of art with Amit's paintings. It is beautiful, really.
Being the cultural ambassador of Seychelles, the photographs, what we have observed were remarkable, and we welcome him that he should come to Seychelles also, and so that he can put up the exhibitions like this there also. And the exhibitions is what we can really have seen. It's the divine creativity what he has shown, which is not possible from the ordinary person. He is something spiritualism is there in him, which you can see in the photographs. I congratulate him, and what has been done out here should be done all over the India, because these painting symbolizes Banaras, Ganga, pigeon, which itself speaks a lot about Hinduism, about our tradition, about our culture.
मेरा जन्म गंगा किनारे हुआ था, तो गंगा से मेरा लगाव है. वो बचपन से यही करते आए हूँ, और बाद में जब बनारस गया तब मैं मंत्रमुग्ध हो गया कि इतना सुंदर आर्किटेक्चर है उधर का, इतना मंदिर, इतना ट्रेडिशन ऑफ बनारस, इतना सुंदर लगा मुझे. तो मैं लगा कि मुझे बनारस को लेके आगे बढ़ना है.
मतलब कि छोरा गंगा किनारे वाला.
छोरा गंगा किनारे वाला.
While Shibani and the artist himself spoke at length about the beautiful paintings and how the artist had managed to transport the mind to Varanasi, Abhijit was nowhere in sight. It was humiliating to have another artist at a painting exhibition where he did not even have the decency to have a smile or speak to the media present. Abhijit looks for some big channels where he would like to portray his thoughts, but little does he know that no one tolerates a man who talks nonsense. And he has anyways become a personality due to the vast media coverage that he got in his heydays. The looks of Abhijit Bhattacharya at the exhibition will make one understand that he definitely did not find any tranquility at the painting exhibition.